In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Google Docs. If you've ever found yourself needing to draw attention to specific words or sections in your documents, highlighting text is an effective tool. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step, ensuring that you can master this useful feature. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google Docs. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to do so with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard where all your documents are stored. Next, identify the document you want to work with and click on it to open it. This will open the document in a new tab, allowing you to interact with its contents. If the document is something you've recently worked on, it should appear near the top of your list. Now, within your document, navigate to the section where you want to apply highlighting. Click and drag your mouse over the specific text you wish to emphasize, essentially selecting it. This action is key as it tells Google Docs exactly which part of your document you want to stand out. Once you have your text selected, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of the Google Docs interface. Look for the button that resembles a paint roller or has the label Highlight Color. Click on it, and a menu with a variety of color options will appear. This menu gives you the chance to pick a color that best suits your document's theme or urgency level. Choose one of the available colors to apply to your selected text. Click on your chosen color and you'll immediately see the text background change to that hue, visually distinguishing it from the rest of your document. Highlighting in a bright color, like yellow or green, often works well for high visibility. If you happen to have applied a color and decide you want to remove it, that's easy too. Click back on the highlighted text, then once again click on the Highlight Color button in the toolbar. From the drop-down menu, simply choose None. This action will revert your text back to its standard background color, ensuring it blends seamlessly with the rest of the document. Finally, let's say you're satisfied with your adjustments and are ready to continue refining any other sections of your document. Click on any paragraph you wish to work with next, setting you up to repeat the highlighting process or undertake other formatting tasks as needed. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively highlight text in Google Docs, making your documents clearer and more engaging. Don't forget to save your document to ensure your changes are preserved. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.